How to redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you'll need to head over to Microsoft Rewards. For that, search for Microsoft Rewards and head over to its website or directly go to rewards.bing.com. Then log in into your account. And after that, you can head over to rewards option from the top here. After you tap on it, you should be on the dashboard. And after you're on Microsoft Rewards dashboard, you should see an option that says redeem. Tap on redeem. After you tap on this redeem option right here, you'll get options on what you want to redeem from your points. So let's wait for it. And yeah, while we wait, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after you're on the redeem page, you'll see Roblox digital card. Tap on it and it should open up this page. Now you can select how much Robux you want. There are options between 400, 800, and 1000 Robux. So select whichever you want and then you'll see how much point it costs. So after you reach the point that you need to buy that many Robux, you can simply redeem your Robux. After you tap on the redeem option, you will then need to verify your account. Then you'll just need to type in your email address in which you want to send your Robux. So after you verify the email, you'll be sent a Robux digital card for 1000 Robux right here. And yeah, you can then use the digital card on your Roblox. And that's how you redeem Robux in Microsoft Rewards. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Okay.